The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus or Pro or whatever it's going to be called is going to be $1,200 to start. $1,200 to start. Is any phone worth $1,200? Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech, so honest. It hurts. This is your first time here. Thanks for stopping by. If you've stopped by before, then thank you for coming back again. If you want to come back again and you don't know how to do it, then just hit the bell like thingy and the subscribe-y thingy and like this video if you like it. And if you don't, well, whatever. The Note 10 inching closer and closer to release date. We know that we're going to have two sizes. We're going to have a regular size at like 6.3 inches screen. And then there's been this talk of the Plus or even Pro, which if they go with Pro is so stupid. Stop calling phones Pro! There's no such thing as a Pro phone. Yeah. Note's the closest thing there is, though. We've also found out something about the pricing. The pricing. And let me tell you, straight off the bat, the price is too damn high. Okay? I'm not trying to steal from Flossie Carter. Flossie, you know I got you. But it's ridiculous. Last year, the iPhone was the one that did this. The iPhone XS and XS Max, the iPhone was like, oh, we're going to be $1,000. And then the iPhone XS Max was like, oh yeah, we're going to be $1,100. And now Samsung, the first company to come out with the $1,000 phone with the Galaxy Note 9, well, they come along and they say, oh yeah, well, we're going to keep we're going to keep one at the $1,000, and then we're going to one-up you, and we're going to go to $1,200. $1,200 is absolutely ridiculous for a phone. Now, do I love the Galaxy Note line? Yes. Have I bought almost every single Galaxy Note phone there is known to man? Yes, I have. Did I say last year that the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 was the only $1,000 phone put out last year that was worth $1,000? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. It was my phone of the year, and I said that. Now, I'm starting to wonder. They take away the headphone jack, which I'm always going to complain. I told you before. I'm always going to complain. I think it's stupid to take away the headphone jack. I have always admired Samsung for being the people who stuck by the headphone jack, and now they've taken it away. God damn. And so now, not only have they taken away the headphone jack, they have jacked the price. Jack the price. They take away the jack, they jack the price. Yes, of course, we're getting a bigger phone for an extra $200. But does it do anything different? We hear rumors both ways, but here's my thing. Last year, I got really, really pissed off at Apple. I got really, really pissed off at Apple because they took away a phone in sort of the mid-range Apple lineup, and they leapfrogged over what had been the top-end phone, and they created a bigger phone for more money. And then they threw the XR in there. The XR turned out to be a good phone. We don't want to get into that. You know what I'm saying. They leapfrogged and created a bigger phone. This year, Samsung's doing the same gosh darn thing. They leapfrog the regular Note, which is always their biggest phone, which is always their most feature-packed phone. They leapfrog it and add another $200 for another like half-inch of screen real estate, maybe a few extra features. I don't know. But the XS Max was $1,100, and now the Note 10 Plus is $1,200. So the price creep that we've all been complaining about continues to happen, even after the last year where everybody was seemingly priced out of their desire to buy phones at that price. At any rate, I mean, here we have the Note 10, which I have made videos earlier this week, and I've made a lot of videos saying I'm excited for it. I think it looks really good. I'm frustrated about the headphone jack thing, but I'll get over it. We've heard a bunch of different things recently. The Note 10 Plus is likely going to have a 45-watt charging capability when plugged in, which is great, and 20 watts of wireless charging capability, which is also great. But in a move that is also very Apple-like, the Note 10 Plus will come with a 25-watt charger in the box. Now, 25 watts is a heck of a lot more than that dinky little 5-watt thing that Apple gives you. I will stipulate that point. However, if it can do 45 and you give 25, then that means you're expecting people to pay more. And how much more is it going to be? Is it going to be an extra $50? Is it going to be an extra $100? And then it's a $1,300 phone. What the hell is going on with Samsung? What the hell is going on with... this is silly season. This is silly season where we get super, super jerked around year after year after year because of the pricing of these phones. And do we go out and get them? Yeah. What market research are people getting at these phone manufacturers that are saying people want to pay more for less? And that's what we're doing. I mean, will the Note 10 have some really nice features? Yes. But is it losing some features? Is it leaving some things out of the box? Yes. People have been wondering, since there's no headphone jack, will we get the Galaxy Buds in the box? And I was like, well, I don't care, because the Galaxy Buds, I don't like them. But word on the street now is that no, you will not get the Galaxy Buds in the box. You will not. It might be possible that you'll get the Galaxy Buds in, say, like a pre-order package or something like that. But what's going to be in the box is USB-C headphones. Now, if they're the AKG headphones that we've had in the past, yay! Those sound great, but will they sound great with a USB plug? I don't know. Now, you might be saying, what's the difference? There's no difference. One's digital, headphone jack analog, USB-C digital, something's got to do the conversion. The conversion is done in different places in different ways. I can make a video explaining all that to you, but will they sound as good? I don't know. I'm excited to go to the event on August 7th. I'm hoping that I get a chance to grab one of these phones and take a look at it and really put it through its paces. I am a Note lover. I have always loved the Note phones. On one hand, we have what looks like it's going to be a great phone. On the other hand, we see that we're just getting taken to the cleaners once again. I'm going to continue to cover this phone. I'm going to continue to talk about what I think is good about it, what I think is bad about it, all the way through to the Samsung event, all the way through a review of the device, all of those things. However, the more information that comes out, the more I'm becoming frustrated again. And I don't know if I can survive another phone season with that kind of frustration. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Is this frustrating to you? Are you upset that the Note 10 Plus will cost $1,200? Really, when you think about the Note series was the big phone, the phablet, the giant thing that you put on your head and it looked like a dinner plate. So how many people are going to be really excited about the smaller one if they're Note buyers? Everybody's going to want the Note 10 Plus, and they're going to have to pay that extra $200 or $300 or so if they want that 45-watt charging. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Looking forward to hearing from you. This is shaping up to be yet another exciting smartphone season here on Painfully Honest Tech. Anyway, thanks so much for being here. If you've never been here before and you want to come back again and you want to see this Note 10 coverage as it goes through the whole series of events and blah, 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 then you can like, subscribe, bell notify yourself so that you know when more videos are coming out. And if you've been here before, well, thank you so much for coming back again. You know, the Wizard Squad is what keeps me going day in and day out. Anyway, my name's Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts. Until the next time, I'm out.